I installed this tempered glass screen protector in our Tesla Model Y about a month and a half ago. It comes in a 2-pack. It's compatible with the Model 3 or the Model Y, and it was really easy to install. The instructions are on the back. First thing you need to do is put your screen into screen clean mode by going to the display settings and choosing screen cleaning mode. Here's the screen cleaning mode. Now, the kit comes with a pack that includes a cleansing wipe for wiping down your screen and getting all the fingerprints off of it, as well as a microfiber cleaning cloth for buffing it out and making sure there are no streaks, no fingerprints. And it also comes with a set of stickers for removing dust if it gets in between your screen protector and the screen. So first thing you need to do is use the alcohol wipe to wipe down the screen, and then the microfiber cloth to make sure there are no streaks on it. Here I'm just using the box as a shadow to make sure that there's no dust on the screen and make sure that it's completely free of dust. I'm using this white cushion from inside the box as well for doing the same thing. Now that I'm satisfied that there's no dust or fingerprints on the screen, I'm going to go ahead and put the screen protector on itself. The first thing you have to do is remove this cling film from the inside. This is over the surface that actually goes against the screen. And when you're putting it on, make sure you put it on completely flat. Don't try and put it on from one end and then lay it down on the others. You're supposed to try and put it on all at once. Then you just run your finger diagonally along the groove there, and you can see that the air that is between the screen protector and the screen is gradually working its way out. Here you can see it in this window down here as it slowly works its way out. Now you go and you pop it off. You're supposed to put your thumbs in each of those. I think I have my thumb in the wrong spot in the bottom right hand corner here, and I think this is where I went wrong, unfortunately. This would actually be much easier with the second glass because it won't be adhered to that plastic frame quite so strongly. Now that we've got that off, we can see there's a bunch of bubbles, but those are actually between the screen protector and the outer film. So we're going to pull that outer film off and see what remains. Then we'll gradually work these bubbles out. And you see there's not really that many left. All right, so I start working out the bubbles here, just smoothing them out. They will gradually work their way out. Yeah, that's not going to go away, and we'll get to that. And there really weren't that many bubbles to begin with. There are a few in there that are a little bit in the middle. Now you can see right here, there's a crack in the screen protector. I think when I went to go pull it out, I put my thumb in the wrong spot and I cracked this screen protector. It's possible that it was already cracked when I put it in, and I could switch to the second screen protector that came in the kit, but I decided to go ahead and install this one and see how noticeable it is. With just a little bit of pressure, all remaining bubbles worked their way out. The only thing that you can still see is the little bubble that's around the little crack that's in the screen film right there. So it's been about a month and a half and we actually don't really notice it. So I'm going to leave it and keep the other glass protector as a spare. At this point, we really don't notice it at all. So it's a great screen protector and I would highly recommend it.